Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. Chapter 10 Circles. Exercise 10.2 Part 1. In Part 1 I will explain you from question number 1. In question number 1 to 3 actually it is the choose the correct option and you have to justify the answer. So justify answer means you have to show the calculation also. First question is from a point Q. The length of the tangent to the circle is 24 centimeter. Length of the tangent is 24 centimeter and the distance from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle we have to find out. There are four options. We have to choose the right option. Now tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The point of contact and it is perpendicular to the radius. Therefore, it is a right angle triangle. So, we can write it OT square. From here, see, OT square is equal to OQ square minus OT square, means hypo square minus base square. Okay. So, it is 25 square minus 24 square, that is equal to 49. So, OT is equal under root 49 means 7 centimeter. Okay. So, it is the right option is A. Next question is, in figure this, if TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equal to POQ is POQ 110 degree. Then angle PTQ is equal to this angle is equal to four options are here. Now since a tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, it is the theorem angle 1 is equal angle 2. These two angles are the 90 degree. Angle 1 is equal, angle 2 is equal, angle 90 degree. Okay. Now so the quadrilateral PTQO, in the quadrilateral angle 1 plus 2 plus angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equal 360 degree. We know sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now you substitute, it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree, it is 110 degree and it is PTQ is equal 360 degree. Therefore, PTQ is equal 360 minus sum of these, it is 290 is equal to 70 degree. So, hence the option B is the correct option. Third question is, if tangents AP means PA, tangent PA and PB from a point P to the circle with center O are inclined at 80 degree. It's okay. Each other at 80 degree. Then angle POA is equal this angle. Now four options. In triangle, check it here. It is two tangents drawn from the external points are equal. It is the theorem. So therefore PA is equal to PB. These two tangents are equal. As they are equal and OP bisect this angle, it is the theorem also. So therefore, as it is 80 degree, half of this, it is APO is equal to half of 80 degree is 40 degree. Okay. Now it is 90 degree. We know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so it is 90 degree. Therefore, in triangle PAO, in this triangle, sum of three angle is 180 degree. Therefore, 40 plus 90 plus angle O is equal to 180 degree. So, angle O means POA is equal to 180 minus 130. Sum of these two, okay? 130 is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so correct option is A. Next question is, proof that, question number 4, proof that the tangents drawn to the end of the diameter are parallel. So it is the diameter. At the end of the diameter there are two tangents. We have to prove these two tangents are parallel, means L is parallel to M. Okay. Now as it is the radius, OA is the radius. So, okay, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, angle 1 is 90 degree. Okay, OAL, it is 90 degree. And if in this here similarly angle 3 also 90 degree, angle 2 also 90 degree, but angle 1 and 3 they are the alternate angle. These, it's okay, these two are alternate angle, and when alternate angles are equal then these two sides are parallel. Okay, so therefore angle 190, angle 390, these two are equal. Therefore L is parallel to M as they are the alternate angles. Next question is question number 5. Proof that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So okay, now here it is the OP is the perpendicular, sorry, OP is the radius, and suppose QP is the perpendicular at the point of contact or the tangent APB. Okay, so proof perpendicular at the point of contact at the tangent APB passes through the center O. Okay, now proof, let OP is perpendicular to OB. So sorry, AB. It is QP. QP is perpendicular to AP. Okay. Therefore, angle QPB is 90 degree and angle OPB also 90 degree because it is radius, and we know the theorem, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So because of that it is also 90 degree. At the same point two angles are 90 degree. It's okay. It is only possible if or when O lies on PQ. When O will lie on PQ, then only, means these two lines are same line, then only we can say it is possible these two angles are equal. So okay, hence PQ passes through the center O. Next question is the length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the length of the tangent from the center, it is 5 cm. Okay, from a point A, and the length of the tangent is 4 cm has given. We have to find the radius of the circle. Radius, it is 90 degree. Therefore it is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OP square is equal to hypotenuse OA square minus PB square. Always you have to take opposite to the 90 degree is hypotenuse. So okay, and it is base and it is perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular square is equal hypo square minus base square. So 5 square minus 4 square, under root 5 square minus 4 square is OP. So OP is equal 3 cm. Okay, so radius of the circle is 3 cm. Next question is question number 7. Two concentric circles. Okay, two concentric circle means same center, two circle has drawn. Okay, the radius is 5 cm and 3 cm. The bigger circle radius is 5 cm it is, and the smaller circle its radius is 3 cm. So okay, find the length of the chord. It is the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. That means AB is the chord for the bigger circle but tangent for the smaller circle. Okay, now in this way you have to draw the figure as, now OA is the hypotenuse, as we know radius perpendicular on the tangent, so angle P is 90 degree and it is 3 cm has given. So hypo square minus perpendicular square is base square. So AP is equal to 4 cm. Okay, so AB is equal to its double, means 4 plus 4 8 cm, or 2 into 4 8 cm. Okay, now next question is question number 8 is a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Proof that AB plus CD is equal AD plus BC. Sum of opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now here, from an external point, tangent drawn to a circle are equals. These two tangents are equal. Similarly, from B, two tangents are equal. From C, two tangents are equal. It is the theorem. So according to this theorem, AP and AS, two tangents from an external point A to the circle AP is equal to AS, and similarly PB. Now one thing you have to check, that left hand side AP I have written and right hand side AS. So AP will add with PB or BP. So that side where AP has written, and that side you have to write PB. Got it? So it is AP is left hand side, so PB is to left hand side. So okay, is equal to BQ. Now BQ will add with CQ. So CQ will add at the same side of the BQ. So BQ and CQ at the same side is equal to CR. Okay, and it is DR is equal to DS. In this way you have to write. Now by adding first, second, third, fourth, we have got it. Now AP plus BP, it's okay, together is AP plus BP, together is AB. I have written that. Next one is CR plus DR, that is equal to CD, is plus CD is equal. Now right hand side, AS plus DS, together is AD. Okay, and BQ plus CQ is BC. Okay, BQ plus CQ is BC. So therefore AB plus CD is equal AD plus BC. Proved it. Thank you very much.